Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Applied Biochemists Black Algaetrine. What is black algaetrine? This formulation was specially designed to fight tough black algae. Contains copper and penetrating agents to kill and prevent the growth of even the most deeply rooted algae cells. It allows for swimming without wading and is compatible with all pool types. Product benefits: controls black algae and other resistant forms. Swimming can resume immediately after treatment. Compatible with chlorine, bromine, and ozone sanitizers. Usage directions: black algae present. Step 1. Dilute in a bucket with at least 9 parts of water before applying. Step 2. To remove black deposits, brush areas vigorously with a stiff or special algae brush immediately prior to application. This will help break up the black algae colonies that have formed. Step 3. Apply black algaetrine, 12 ounces per 10,000 gallons. Step 4. Brush again once each day for 2 days following application. Remove any settled algae by vacuuming. Reapply treatment if necessary. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.